Yo. Guys, we only have one question. Each and every person apha eMzantsi. And umbuzo umile. Ishow, reality TV show kaThina Zungu ishutwe nini? Then uLulu Menziwa, at what time or period was she calling? Was she already pregnant? Was it the pregnancy? Was she mitaphile noThabo? Ithini kahle kahle into, because wonke mntu ngoku is crossing fingers into kokubana we hope and we pray that umntana lo kaLulu belongs to uThabo. Unfortunately, I think sonke ke siyibonile ishow yayizolo Thina Zungu segment. For those of you ebebengabukelanga, I'll just briefly summarize. Ke kwakhona ke segment phayana whereby uThina Zungu ebe invitiwe to a private function. Unfortunately, inoba andazi, maybe cameras they were already rolling at the time, okanye it's scripted. I don't know, between the two, it might be scripted, okanye the cameras were already rolling bayishuta ke lo section guys. But ye kwafona uLulu Menziwa, the teacher. Siyamazi ke into kokubana akadumanga kahle. uLulu ngilo ahambe ethatha amadoda abantu, especially married men. Saye sabona ke not so long ago ebe trender because ke uye wathathela another married woman uThabo wakhe ke. Of course uLulu has been coming forward to share that no, mna noThabo sike sabazichomi for quite some time. We met last year, and then ke that's when we started dating, and uLulu fell pregnant and sebenomntwana ngoku noThabo, you understand. And then asivezele le segment ke uThina Zungu ufonelwa ke nguLulu. uLulu uyatsho into kokubana ndifuna ukukubona. Ubrother ke sana akazazi noba makathini, like akanayo ibackbone yoba stop calling me, we ended things. But uyatsho obviously to ichomi yakhe into kokubana we did end things. Utsho kuJombo wonke we did end things mna noLulu Menziwa, but usafona inoba yena feelings azikapheli. And I'm just sitting here thinking to myself, how disrespectful can that be to the wife? I mean, xa seyibukela yonke lento. Yo guys, honestly speaking, it was such a cringe scene to watch, if I can just be honest with you guys. But anyways, uThina Zungu isaqala, I think it was episode 1 of Ilondukana of the entire season. Watch into wife wakhe sometimes uyamsuspecta into kokubana unama girlfriends, and unkosikazi yakhe ayisifuni isithembu, but yena ke ezuzungu uke abe nezancinza outside nje, abe nama girlfriends, and wife iyayimothusa kakhulu lonto. So that makes me question ukuthi, is Thina Zungu a Christian, a true called man of God, okanye he's just a gospel singer who is gifted with the voice but does not practice lento ayenzayo emsebenzini. I don't know if I'm making sense, but to him the gospel is just umsebenzi, and it's not a part of him, because yambona uvibe nabo Dr. Kehlelezi, and it's just a lot that is currently happening kula reality TV. And abantu abaninzi ke they did not like ke le segment ke ebendinibalisela ngayo into ba why engabanga nayo ibackbone yokuvele amfuthekise uLulu Menziwa, because siyamazi uLulu Menziwa into ba is famous for dating married men. So let me just take 2 comments before we close, guys. Owange Ute, the purpose of this reality show is far beyond entertainment purposes. Utina is being used as a pawn to discredit gospel music and gospel musicians. He took the bait for the sake of money. Then omnye wati, he wasn't supposed to fit this in. He was not supposed to fit this in. It is so disrespectful to his wife and not good for his image. Lele Apple, guys, because it's not good for his image. So yeah, guys, again, Nan's okay episode that did not please a lot of South Africans and basically made them question in Dokokokmana. who's the father? You know what I mean? Did he end up going to see Ululu Menziwa because we show Yewati with private function and whatnot? But there are many unanswered questions from the viewers of a reality TV show. Anyways, guys, like your thoughts down on the comments, and on my next one. Bye.